Bhagavato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Samma Sambuddhassa. Did you do homeworks? Ikaranta nouns Tatiya, Karan and Chatuthi. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Question. Translate into English. Okay. Ahayo kapihi saha giring aruhanti. What is the meaning? Very good. Why? What's the wrong? Huh? Oh, very nice. Very good. Very good. Better 3-5% together discuss, write down. Very good. Climb up the mountain with the monkeys. Gahapati yattina kapayo paharati. Very good. Muni atithinang agging jaleti. Atithinang, no? For the guest. For the guest. Ay. Next one. Senapati Panina Narapatissa Asing Dadati. Senapati. By or with, okay, by or with his hand. Bhupati Setthina Saddhing Udadim Gacchati. With the millionaire. Setthina Saddhin, no? Next one. Patayo Sarathina Saratihi Saha Muninang Aharang Dadanti. The master gave the food to the monks with the next one. Isi Kavino Panina Yatting Dadati. Again. The stick, no? Yatting. The stick. Oh, a stick also can, huh? A stick also can. So one. Narapatayo atitihi saddhin raving passanti. Narapatayo. Hmm? सारथि गहपतिना सह भूपतिस्स मनयो गन्हाति. Again. Okay. Next one. Setthayo jnati bhi saddhin yatti bhi deepi paharanti. With the stick, with the relatives also can, na? Hmm? Hmm? Sticks plural. Okay. Translate into Pali. Okay, recite. The kings go to the ocean with the relatives. Again. The kings. The plural, no? Bhupati, Bhupatayo. Narapati, Narapatayo. And with the relatives. Jnati bhi or jnatihi saha or saddhi. Jnati bhi saddhin, jnatihi saddhin, jnati bhi saha, jnatihi saha. One of them. Udadin. Gachanti. Gachanti. Okay. The monk venerates to the bo tree with the householders. Munio yati. Gahapatihi saddhin. Gahapatibhi saha. Bodhin pujeti. Venerates meaning pujeti. Pujeti. Huh? Vandati also can. Okay. Next one. The general kills the enemies with sword. Meaning? Arayo mare mareti. Senapati asina ariyo arayo mareti. Next one. The charioteers take the sticks for the monks with their hands. Okay, word by word. The first one, the charioteers. Sarathi o saratayo. with their hands. Panibhiho panihi. For the monks, muni nang o yati nang. The sticks, yati o yathayo. Take, ganhanti, ganhanti plural. Okay. Next one. The millionaire gives the hidden treasures to the poets. Very good. Seti o nidhi o nidhayo dadati. Good. The householders measure the paddy for the general. O gahapati o gahapatayo. Senapati no o senapatis for the general. The paddy meaning vihing. Minanti. Next one. The poets eat the rice with the relatives with hands. Very good. Oh. 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 Okay, the poets meaning kavi o kavayo. With the relatives meaning nyati bi o nyati sadding o saha. With the hands pani bi panihi. The rice odanang o battang. Bunjanti o kadanti. Bunjanti is better. Eat. Bunjanti. Usually the bunjanti word for the respect person or sometimes for the human beings. Kadati kadanti for the animals. Kadati kadanti for the animals. Now sunako bhattang kadati. Sonoko bhattam bunjati is not polite. Manuso bhattam bunjati. Manuso bhattam khadati is not polite. For the animals better khadati khadanti. For the human beings bunjati. Muni bhattam bunjati. Usually according to the our generation, Sri Lankan, Myanmar, Thailand, they have separate words for the bhikkhus, separate words for the monks. Example, Sri Lanka, another called Sri Lankan language, normal people eat meaning anubhava karai or khai, but bhikkhu valandai, totally different, but same English, only one word. Only one word, but according to our generation, they have different way to understand. For the Myanmar also same way. The bhikkhus, they are each other talking, each other they are communicate different words. They communicate with the lay people different words. Same way, khadati for the animals. Punjati, very good polite for the human beings. Okay, next one. The leaders eat food with the householder. Aharang bunjanti. Next one. The hermits go to the mountain with the poets. Oh, isi isayo kavibyo kavihi saddingo saha giring gachanti. Next one. the master strikes the serpents with the fist. Paharati, one person, no? Okay. Okay, now homework finished. Now I am going to our next lesson. Lesson 4, 14 March of 2015. Ablative of separation. Original case from where, this meaning. Revision, what have we learned so far? Please recite. The monk sees the fire. Okay. Agina Aharanga recite. Now ability for separation. Now please already before here the case ending na, mha or sma. Agina, agimha, agisma, 3 words for singular. Ibi, ihi, agibi, agi for the plural, 2 words. From whom, from where, from what? This is the meaning, we already explained before. Please recite. Agina, agimha, agisma, from the fire. Also, someone. Oh. Oh. Okay. Agibi, agihi. Okay, recite. Munina, munimha, munisma. Munibhi, munihi. Next one. Isimha, isisma. Isibhi, isihi. Gahap, Gahapati bhi, gahapati hi. Now understand meaning? Yes. Good. Huh? Sorry. Need write down, no? Oh. I thought you know. Must write down, no? Okay. Don't miss your class, huh? Today new pace. Sometime I can see, sometime cannot see. Declension of ablative masculine ikaranta nouns. Panchami. Panchami separation. Don't worry, this time I am not going to ask any question from anybody. Yeah, please come every day. Yes, okay. Any question? From where? From where? From what? Yeah, from where? Uh, from who? From who? From who? From who? From where? From what? We are still in the kindergarten. Okay? Already? Right. You meaning Agina? First Agi. Huh? Yeah, this meaning, Agi meaning stems out. Okay? The EB, EHI. Actually, this is the little mistake. But anyway, answer Agibi, Agi. Okay, this is lone E. Lone E. Lone. EHI. Lone. Here? EHI. Yeah. This is EB, EHI. EB, EHI. already? Okay. Next. Isina. Here also same. Isihi, isibia. Here's the error. Isibi. Yeah, one delete. Okay. Okay, finish. Next. Kapi na. Kapimha kapisma from the monkey. Kapibi kapihi from the monkeys. Kavina kavimha kavisma from the poet. Kavibi kavihi from the poet. Okay. Girina girimha girisma from the mountain. Giribi girihi. Okay, please recite. Aggi. Muni. Isi. Gahapati. Kapi. Kavi. Kavi. Giri. Bali. Nidhi. Vyadhi. Very good. Okay. Now we are going to build the sentence. Okay. Singular. Deepi Girina Dhavati. Deepi the leopard. Girina from the mountain. Dhavati runs. Meaning the leopard runs from the mountain. Please write down. Plural. Deepi Giribhi Dhavanti. Okay. Manusso Gamamha Nikkamati. Manusso Gamamha Nikkamati. Yeah, human being, the man. Nikkamati. Oh, check your vocab list. The verb vocab list. Nikkamati. Goes away or goes out from the village. Okay. Upasako Paauk Viharamha Nikkamati. The lay devotee goes out from the Paauk monastery. Okay. Next one. Kavi Settimha Nidhing Kinati. Okay, The poet buys the hidden treasure from the million. कवयो सेट्टीहि निधयो किनन्ति. The poets buy the hidden treasures from the millionaires. Okay, already? Okay, write down one more sentence. Muni gehamha Muni gehamha bhattang labati. Muni gehamha bhattang labhati. The monk takes the cooked rice or rice from the house. Gehama from the house. Very good. Already finished this one? Okay. Okay, next one. Adhipati gahapatisma yatting ganhati. The leader takes the stick from the household. Adhipati gahapatisma yatting ganhati. Plural. Adhipati gahapatihi yatthayo ganhanti. Okay. Next, no? Practice. Okay, practice now. Meaning? Okay, next one, practice. Meaning? Next one. Meaning? Meaning? Okay, this one. The general sees the sun from the mountain. Please translate. The general, Senapati, Girimha Raving Pasati. Next one. Udadina, Udadimha, Udadisma Agachanti. This one. The master takes the swords from the householders. Huh? Huh? The master, Pati, from the householders. Gahapatihi or Gahapatibhi. The swords. Asi or Asayo takes. Ganhati. This one. The relatives get the gems from the poets. Nyatayo. Kavihi. Manayo or Mani or Manayo. Labhati. Now in the sutta explained in the Vattum Sutta, one of the stanza, Labhati Atta Vedang. Labhati Atta Vedang. Atta Vedang, after reciting of the quality of the Buddha, after reciting quality of the Dhamma, after reciting and practice quality of the Sangha, and after listening the Dhamma talks, we can get Labhati, we can get Atta Vedang, meaningful, the meaning of the meaning of this sermon. Yeah, Labhati meaning we can get. Labhati Dhamma Vedang, we can get the doctrine. Labhati Piti, we can get the Preeti, enjoy. We can get the pleasure sukhang. We can labati. We can get the, and we can get the one point none. We can get the samadhi. Because of the samadhi, we can see the truth Dhamma, Four Noble Truth. The labhati, we can get, we can receive, we can get, we can receive. Okay, this one already know. Next one. Okay, now we are going to next case, chatti, genitive of possessive case of chatti. Okay, now revision again. Okay, recite. Understand meaning, no? Huh? No, not yet coming. The revision. Revision. Okay, next one. Karana. Okay. Panchami. Okay, recite all together now. Without looking, can recite? Okay, try. Look at me, huh? Look at me, not the look at the PowerPoint. Look at me, okay? Agina. Aginang. Agina. Agimsma. Agibi. Agihi. Try. Can. Oh, one more time. Okay. One more time. Okay. Agi. Agina. Open the mouth. Good. Okay. Now the ending no. O. S. Aginang. Now you can understand meaning. Before I already explained, huh? Because in the Asian people. Okay. Aggino aggissa agginang. Munino munissa muninang. Isino isissa isinang. Please write down the chatya. Belongs. Why? Any question? Yeah. Same. Chatutya and Chatti got same. But but formula same but meaning different, na? Okay? Already? Okay, no? Next. Gahapatino gahapatissa gahapatinang. Kapino kapissa kapinang kavino kavissa kavina. Okay, next one. Okay, decide. Munino, Isino, mm, mm, mm. They build the sentence. Okay, Sarati Yatino Yating Aharati. The charioteer of the monk the stick brings. Sarati Yatino Yating Aharati. Plural Saratayo Yatinang Yatti Aharanti. Okay, write down. Hmm? Now the dosa sentence belongs to chatti. Yes. Okay. Next one. Senapati Arissa Kuching Paharati Dukkha. Senapati Arissa Kuching Paharati, meaning the general strikes the belly of the enemy. Kuching meaning belly. Do you have belly? No? Kuching. Kuching. Do you know how big King Asoka's belly? King Kosala's belly, do you know? He can eat 8 kilogram rice, 8 kilogram every day. Every time he can eat. Very big. Yeah. Yeah, 16 nali. 16 nali meaning 8 kilogram. Rice. Kg, 8 kg. After he can eat lot. His belly very big. Huh? No, King Kosala. After that, Lord Buddha taught to him how to reduce. Then the one fist every day he remove one fist. Then after that become normal meal. Hmm. Very big. This is also one kind of akusala kamma, no? Akusala kamma vipaka. Hmm. Hmm. Eat too much, sleep too much. The one of the Jataka history, the Rama Ravana Jataka history also, the one of the brother of the Ravana, he also very big. He also can eat lot. Very fat. Asian time. His name Kumbhakarana. Only eating, sleeping. Kumbhakarana means sleeping. Kumbhakarana. Okay. Plural. Senapatayo arinang kuccayo paharanti. Senapatayo arinang kuccayo paharanti. Already write down? Already? Very good. Very fast. Okay, practice now. Narapati patinang pana. Okay, what is the meaning? Narapati. Paharati. Pana yo. The hands. Patinang. Of the master. Okay. Next one, practice. Meaning, the general takes the of the again Senapati Arino Asing Ganhati, meaning the general takes the sword of the enemy. Next one. Hayo, meaning the monkeys eat the food of the poet. Practice. Meaning very low, no? Okay. Don't know? Bhopatino Sarati Nang Nyatayo Agachanti. The Nyatayo Agachanti. Relatives come of the charioteers of the king. This meaning the relatives belongs to the charioteer. Charioteer belongs to the king. No. This Nyatayo, this is subject. Subject is Nyatayo. Because now the Nyatayo belongs to somebody. Then we have to put first. Yeah. Belongs to somebody, no? Example now, remember, kassa kassa putto gamang gacchati. The son belongs to the farmer. Kassa kassa putto. Remember? Buddhassa savako dhamman deseti. Savako means disciple belongs to the Buddha. Buddhassa savako dhamman deseti. Always the subject belongs to somebody, meaning this one first, coming from first. Now, this is a subject. This is a verb. This is a object. Okay? Putto bhattan, no, okay, bhattan bunjati. The son eat the rice. Now the son belongs to somebody. Example, patissa putto. Now, putto patissa we cannot say. Example now, patissa come here. Putto patissa bhattang bunjati. At that time, bhattam belongs to patissa. Understand? This meaning, son eat the rice of the master. This rice belongs to the master. Always belongs to come to the object, the beginning, before of the object. Understand? Now, if you put the patissa between the subject and object, the object belongs to the patissa. At that time, meaning coming, the son eat the rice of the master. The rice belongs to the master. Okay? Now, subject. Now, subject belongs to the somebody. Narapatissa putto. The son of the king. The son of the king eat the rice of the master. This son belongs to the Narapatissa. Always come beginning. Understand? Okay, correct? Okay, please write down this sentence. First, without this. Putto patissa bhattang bunjati. The meaning, the son eat the rice of the master. Second one, Narapatissa putto patissa bhattang bunjati. The son of the king eats the rice of the master. Okay, now understand? This way we cannot say every time subject is the beginning of the sentence, no? Sometimes according to the Pali, sometimes it can be end of the sentence, but we have to make by ourselves. We have to again rebuild. Okay, understand? Chat to chatti. This meaning sun also belongs to somebody, rice also belongs to somebody. This is the meaning, somebody. Sorry? Chat? Yes. Yes. This meaning, no, this meaning the relatives belongs to the charioteer, charioteer belongs to the king. Yes, this is the according to English. According to English, always subject is the beginning. No? The relatives, not the Pali. The relatives meaning Nyatayo of the king's charioteers. Okay. King is bigger. No, this is according to below example. Now we can say how to say, but according because the king is the highest man. According to this sentence, the chariot walking under the king, but relatives the belongs to the chariot. Charioteers. Yeah. Yes. Okay, understand? Okay? Very complicated? No, no complicate. Yeah. Okay? Okay, yeah? Any question? Please let me know. Okay, please try to practice this one. The hermit carries the sticks of the million. Isi setino yati harati. Okay. Next one. Next one, please check. The relatives of the masters speak. Huh? Okay. Meaning the relatives mean Nyati, Nyatayo of the master, Patina, speak, Bhasati. Now example, someone talking. Now we recognize those are relatives, those are people belongs to that master. This is meaning. Patinang Nyati Nyatayo Bhasanti. What is happen? No. Okay. Next one. Okay, please practice. The household sees the general of the king. Why? Gahapati bhupatino o bhupatissa senapatin passati. Okay? Gahapati bhupatino o bhupatissa senapatin passati. Senapatin passati. Understand? Next one. The guests take the gems of the leaders. Atiti adipati nang mani ganhanti. O manayo o. The guest atiti atitayo. Ganhanti mani manayo adipati na. Okay? Homework. Bring the paper. Homeworks. Homeworks coming. Coming, homeworks coming. Yeah, of course. Of course. Okay, first one. Enough? Enough for everybody? Okay, please. Bantis, no? Okay, please. Enough, no? No, but no, you can give this later. You can print for Bante. Please take this. Okay, the Panchami and Chatti. According to the Panchami and Chatti, homework for lesson number 4. Gahapati girina settissa nidhin ganhati. Gahapati the householder. Girina from the mountain. Settissa of the millionaire. Nidhin the hidden treasure. Ganhati takes. The householder takes the hidden treasure of the mountain. Okay, try one. Isino kapayo bodhimha oru hanti. Isino kapayo. The kapayo meaning the monkeys. The monkey belongs to Isino. The hermit's monkeys. Oru hanti. Climb down. From somewhere. Bodhimha. From the bo tree. The hermit's monkeys climb down from the bo tree. Okay, next one. Bhupati settissa maning passati. Bhupati, king. Maning passati. See the gem. Gem belongs to somebody. Settissa of the millionaire. Now, the king sees the gem of the millionaire. Very easy, no? Oh, try. Yeah, very easy. Okay, number 3. Because tomorrow we have class, no? Number 3, yeah? Patayo girisma raving passanti. Okay. Patayo girisma raving passanti. Patayo, the masters. Raving passanti. See the sun. Somewhere, from somewhere. Girisma, from the mountain. The master see the sun from the mountain. Masters, plural. Next one. Kapi girimha gahapati nang yattayo haranti. Kapi. The monkeys, haranti. Carry. Which one? Yattayo. Sticks. Stick belongs to somebody. Gahapati nang. The householder's stick. From somewhere. Girimha. From the mountain. The monkeys carry the householders' sticks or sticks of the householders from the mountain. Oh, very easy, very simple, no? Huh? Not easy? Not easy really? Oh, yeah. Huh? Huh? Big confused. No, if you have the already you know the vocab, it is easy to apply. This is the most important, the vocab list. And the formula, the grammar formula. Now, number 5. Kavissa ñātayo girina agachanti. Agachanti, come. Who? Ñātayo, the relatives. Ñāti belongs to somebody. Kavissa, of the poet. From somewhere. Okay. The relatives of the poet come from mountain. Like this. First you have to find the verb. After you find the subject. Then check subject belongs to somebody or not. Then find the object. Object belongs to somebody or not. And then rest word you see from where or somewhere. Then you can check. Yeah. Understand? In the full sentence, the relatives of the poet come from mountain. Okay, number 6, please check. Bhupati settihi nidhayo ganhati. Ganhati, take. Who take? Bhupati, the king. What is they take? Hidden treasure. Nidhayo, hidden treasures, plural. Now hidden treasures take from somewhere. From the millionaire. This way can understand. The kings takes the hidden treasures from the millionaires. Yeah. Millionaires, okay. Number 7. Isayo girisma gahapatimha balayo aharanti. Aharanti. Aharanti is a verb. What is the meaning aharanti? Bring. Who bring? Who is bring? Who bring? Isayo, the hermits. The hermits bring. What is the bring? Balayo. Balayo meaning? The religion offerings. Religion offering. Please, Bali meaning Bali Island. Okay? Please remember Bali Island. Bali Island in the Indonesia. Bali meaning religion offerings. And from somewhere. From where? From the householder. Where he is living? The householders are coming from the mountain. This meaning Isayo girisma gahapatimha balayo aharanti. The hermits bring the religion offerings from the householder who is staying in the mountain, from the mountain. Now this way try to do in the homework. Now already 4 o'clock. No, household coming from where? From the mountain. So you mean in the hermits? Yeah. Okay. Now number 8. Narapati Senapati no Asina Arayo Mareti. Narapati Senapati no Asina Arayo Mareti. Now Mareti meaning kill, kills. Who kills? Narapati, the king. Who? The king who is killed? Who is Arayo. Enemies. What is the object? Enemies. Now what kind of thing he used for the kill? With the sword. Then this sword belongs to the general of the general. This meaning the king kills the enemies with the sword of the general. Okay? Now understand? Yes, understand. Understood. Okay? Try to practice. Okay? Okay? Can no? Can no? Can. This very easy. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5% together discuss and write down. It is good. Then example now like this way. Now the example now. Okay. First mani settis muttis. No, sorry. The panch. Yeah. The isino kapayo bodhimha aru hanti. Now example four people is there. Okay, first word, second, third, fourth. Then try to find the meaning. Then all together make the sentence. The next time the forward change to again. One round, second round, third round. Then easy to write down, easy to understand. Then the example now. Oru hanti. Okay, now somebody says oru hanti is a verb. Who is the subject? Isino. What is the object? Kapayo. No, sorry. The kapayo is the subject. Don't have object. But kapayo, the subject belongs to the somebody. Isino. Now they came from somewhere. From where? Bodhimha. This way you have to discuss and write down. Question and answer. Okay, try. Okay, sadhu. Okay, sharing merits. Idam me punyang asavakkaya vahang hotu. Idam me punyang nibbanassa paccayo hotu. Mama punya bhagang sabba sattanang bhajemi te sabbe me samang punya bhagang labhantu. Sadhu sadhu sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo. Sukhi hotu nibbana paccayo.